Hi, I'm Maddie Lee, and I will be talking about why gas prices are so high. This is my family that will be watching and listening. Okay, my father and my boyfriend constantly complain about the price of gas, and I never understood this subject. So I decided to research this annoyance. Many different reasons why gas prices are so crazy high. Gas prices are influenced by the value of the dollar. When the value of the dollar decreases, gas prices rise. So what causes this value of the dollar to decrease? This is due to a number of factors. One of the factors is the amount of debt our country has in relation to other countries. Another factor is that our government sometimes prints additional money, which causes the value of each individual dollar to be less. The U.S. economy is performing well. Investments in our various businesses is strong because our businesses are seen as safe and will give a good return and investment for people who invest in the U.S. companies. But when Americans buy more from abroad than we sell to outside countries, then the value of the dollar goes down. Gas prices may also be influenced by supply and demand. This business theory of supply and demand is simply that the more of the commodity is available, the price goes down. But when the supply is low, then the price goes up. Recently, the global demand for oil has gone up because of the growth of economies of both India and China. This increased demand has contributed to the price of oil, which is made into gas, to go up. This leads to the decision of OPEC, the Organization of Petroleum Exploration Countries. The purpose of OPEC is for members to secure an efficient, economic, and regular supply of petroleum to consumers and a steady income of producers. The major OPEC countries are Saudi Arabia, Venezuela, Kuwait, Iran, Iraq, and although there are a total of 15 countries, the U.S. is not one of the OPEC countries. OPEC makes sure that there is a steady supply of oil, but not an oversupply. If the price of oil goes down too much, OPEC will restrict how much goes produced by the member countries, which then causes the supply to dwindle and the price to go up. The availability of gas is also seasonal. Refineries make different products from crude oil according to different seasons. As a result, the price of gas is often more expensive. During the warmer months, when many of us take road trips, another major contributor to the price of gas is the ability of our country to produce our own gas rather than have to buy it from other countries. Within the last 10 years, public lands have become available for drilling our oil, but rather than develop these resources. The U.S. has had a boom in fracking. Fracking is the process of drilling down into the earth before a high-pressure water mixture is directed at the rock to release the gas inside. Water, sand, and chemicals are injected into the rock at high pressure, which allows oil to flow out to the head of the well. Fracking is often combined with horizontal drilling. This is a picture of it. They drill into the ground, the rocks shake, and then it brings the oil back up. So much domestic oil has been produced by fracking that there has been a decrease in exploration and traditional drilling for oil in this country. The factors that cause gas prices to go up and down are many, but one of the most influential is the value of the dollar relative to foreign currency. Supply and demand, OPEC, and fracking also contribute. Because this is a complex situation, it is difficult to recommend one solution which should stall the increase in gas prices. However, following what is going on with value of the dollar would be the best subject to consider in order to understand what causes gas prices to be so high.